Okay, people, let's get back to business. So I bought these two windows for €100 both, so 50 each. Yeah, pretty good. Ah, it's hanging out, yeah. I like the inner edge. Yeah, success. Yes, it is in. It is fucking in. Is it right? Who knows? Who knows? It looks good. Okay, and for this window I'm gonna do almost the same. So I'm gonna measure I'm gonna mark the pinpoints of the distance where you need to start. Same thing here, same thing here. And I got the mold already that I cut it from the other one, but because I had to just make it bigger, I know it's maybe half centimeter higher. So I will mark it and then I will mark the other half centimeter. You can feel the sun. You can really feel the sun in Spain. Well, we got to the point of sticking the windows in. So previously I already cleaned all this surface. I'm gonna put the silicone. I grind this. I just put some paint, anti-rust paint on the edge. And as I saw, because of the curvature of the van and the curvature of this window, as you can see, like exactly here, it's not completely plain. It will require some more silicone on this side. and I thought about just using some clamps to stick them very good, but because this will be exposed to sun, I think that eventually it will be just sticking out if I put the clamps and stick it, because it will be too much pressure. So I bought this used from another band, so I think that model maybe like curb the originals. So yeah. Okay, let's say the truth about this. Is it looking perfect? 100% no. Like, there is no chance that they will be looking perfect, and I think it's gonna take me a lot of work just to remove all this silicone. It's not impossible, it will take me a lot of work. I might even have like just to repaint that later, but it's very difficult. Silicone is a bitch. Yeah, let's do another window. The other one, even though the gap was bigger, it looks better. Still a lot of removal to do, and then I will make this trick from the inside. Just put some tiny pieces of rubber, stick it to the. I'll show you. So it will be like a trap, so the window cannot fall down. If like you put like little screws on the inside part, but different. Okay, remember that I told you about this little trick that I had for securing the windows from the inside. So these are, you can use whatever thing you need. In fact, I'm cutting these kind of bolts that you put on the wall. They are not bolts, they are tacos. I don't know how it's in English. Okay, so I'm cutting them just to get these little parts. These parts. And then I'm gonna show you how I'm using this. So I cut these little pieces that I will show you right now how I made them. Okay, so the principle is, I know how this works because I removed the ones that were already installed in this window, which were made from rubber. These are made from plastic, but it's the same. So now we have glued from the outside, but if someone grabs a cutter and just cut it from the outside, it will just take the window off. So we're gonna stick in the window these little pieces here, 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 here. And what will that do? it will seal, and it will just create this pressure that even though they're trying to just to rip it off, they are not gonna be able to do it. So that's a security trick. They're very tiny, so I don't think the wall will be like here, so they are not gonna affect at all. After fitting the window, which took me like almost 2 hours, I think if I have cut this bigger, the hole a little bit bigger, maybe it will be much easier to fit it. Okay, as you see me, completely wet in Spain weather. I don't really care about all this messing up that I made, because it's gonna be a frame. I'm gonna be the frame that is gonna be inside this, so you won't see all these parts. That's it, window done.